Всем привет. Начнем через 5 минут. We start after 5 minutes. This is Astan. Database.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? Body moving on, you running like a freak. When you people too much, push it slow motion. Yeah, I feel like it needs to come on in the whole night. What you know about rolling down in the deep? Body moving on, you running like a freak. When you people too much, push it slow motion. Yeah, I feel like it needs to come on in the ocean. Take down cool. I believe you believe.
Дорогие гости, пожалуйста, мы приглашаем вас присаживаться на места. Dear guests, please proceed to your seats. We're starting in a few minutes. I'd like to see the whole auditorium full, so please, if you're here, please take your seats at the auditorium. Okay, so we're starting. Everyone, please take your seats. Пожалуйста, присаживайтесь на свои места. Мы начинаем.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the opening day of the fifth batch of Silkway Accelerator program. I am IT and my colleague Yesketa will be with you for the next hour and a half. For now, please direct your attention to the screen.
When you derive your accent from bilingual heritage, knowing where we came from, for us, it was
Welcome to Silkway.
This is where the best startups of the region are. When you go to bunch of passionate people in the city, it's amazing things that can happen. Business with pleasure.
Enjoy another workshop by Google Disciples.
We offer a variety of
So, dear guests, now let me tell you a little more about what Silkway Accelerator really is. So, in April 2022, AstanaHub became the first and only partner of Google for startups in the region of Central Asia. In the framework of mentioned cooperation, Silkway Accelerator is held for the most promising startups from Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Mongolia, and Georgia. 4 batches of the program have been finalized since 2022, and the program quickly became the region's benchmark acceleration program. Now, 49 startups proudly call themselves the alumni of the program.
Talking about results, during the whole lifetime of the program, we received over 1,300 applications for the participation. 49 projects have successfully completed acceleration. The total valuation of graduates has exceeded $400 million. The monthly revenue of graduates is over $1.5 million. Over $8 million in investment have been attracted during the program. Startups have entered the markets of the United Arab Emirates, Turkey, USA, Australia, and other countries.
Also with us today, representatives of the Ministry of Digital Development, Innovation, and Aerospace Industry of the Republic of Kazakhstan, representatives of the corporate sector, members of the selection committee, representatives of the advisory board, and the board of trustees, investors, business angels, and our stars.
I would like to give the opening speech to the Minister of Digital Development, Innovation, and Aerospace Industry of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Alaqan Kazakhstan.
Dear guests, dear ladies and gentlemen, participants of this opening ceremony of the Silkway Accelerator, first of all, I'd like to welcome you to the opening of the 5th batch of the program. I would like to thank our partners, Google company, for such a huge and important initiative for Kazakhstan, for our country, for our entrepreneurs and startups. As we heard the stats already on the program, more than 1,300 applications with almost 50 startups accelerated in this program with the valuations of more than 400 million and attracted investments of 8 million. That's a huge result for us, and I think it's just a start. And we, as a ministry, we are committed to support such initiative and to provide all necessary infrastructure to organize and to support this this program. So I would like to wish to all of you best of luck and to use this opportunity to the max and take a full advantage of it. And we're here to support you. Thank you very much. Good luck, guys.
Thank you. So, I would like to express our gratitude to our partners from Google, and I give a word to the Askar Aituov, who is the head of interaction with providing power in Central Asia and the Caucasus at Google.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, dear colleagues, for the opportunity to join you. even though remotely. But my name is Olga. It's our master ceremony already mentioned, and I lead our government relations and public policy work in Kazakhstan, Central Asia, and the Caucasus. And it's really a pleasure to be part of the opening of a new chapter of Silkway Accelerator, which is a unique program that we implement, Google for Startups implements in partnership with AstanaHub and with support of the ministry. We at Google, we are maybe idealists. We believe that technology should be, used to solve challenges, social, environmental challenges that we all face today. And I think the two folks are also those kind of idealists, and that is why you are in the room. You also share this belief that technology should be applied to do some good stuff. We at Google support the Silkway Accelerator, and we're very grateful for the partnership to our AstanaHub colleagues. We do it because we believe that Kazakhstan, Central Asia, and Caucasus really have all the advantages to become digital and AI sprinter, and that is why we, as a global company, deploy technological innovation in our region. We promote AI literacy at all levels through our Google Developers Group, for our student class. Maybe you heard of them, but truly, I don't think that this would be an exaggeration to say that our the Silkway Accelerator and our partnership with AstanaHub is a jewel or a pearl in all the programs that we do in Central Asia. And we're thankful for this multi-year partnership already, really. And I'm really excited to see many startups actually that graduated from our programs applying and using very actively AI. And I think you all share the opinion that AI is the new frontier of technology. And so we were happy to see many AI-driven startups already going through the acceleration program with us. And this year, this cohort is dedicated to what I think is really, really cool. And I'm thankful to all of you that you decided to join this cohort, because it's a special one. We're focusing on sustainable development, and there are several reasons which I believe this is truly important. First of all, as I said, I really think that AI and technology should solve complex social economic issues. Secondly, we at Google, we have been doing those kind of startups and accelerators focused on sustainability, on climate change, really throughout the world. And I truly believe that our region is mature enough now to also start, let's say, focusing on this vertical of business. And thirdly, why I think this is important, that we're trying to prioritize those kind of, verticals within the business, is that we can really see that countries like ours, right? We're all with you represented here in emerging markets, right? They play a more and more important role in driving sustainability debate really globally. That this year, our region, extended region, will be hosting the UN Climate Change Conference. That's a very big event that is coming up. And I would say that this kind of puts our region on the spotlight from the global international development perspective. And I would say that it's up to us to ensure that we drive and support those kind of businesses and startups that focus on sustainable development. And it's also up to us, people in the region, to really, and down to us, I would say, to really solve those kind of, complex social issues, social and environmental issues. So with this, I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you have a lot to do. But I want to officially announce the launch of the Silkway Accelerator program. And once again, really thank AstanaHub for being bold and brave and for partnering with us on this exciting journey, and to thank the ministry and the minister himself for this support to our partnership. As a postscriptum, I also wanted, because I know that we have an audience that may be interested in this, I also wanted to invite you to join one more program, but please do focus on the Silkway accelerator to join and maybe spread the word and invite your friends, your colleagues to join the new program that we launched for the region, but that is called Build with AI for Sustainable Development, where we will basically teach developers to use Gemini for sustainable development. I don't know if I can share now the screen, but maybe I can drop organizers a QR code to the registration, where you can read more about the program. And please consider applying and sending maybe some team members of your team to join or just to spread the word. And with this, again, thank you so much. It has been a great ride in partnering with AstanaHub. And I really, truly wish all of you the best of luck during this program. And we're here to support you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Anya. Thank you.
Now, I would like to give a word to the representative of Google who joined us in person today, Askar Aituov, Developer Relations Coordinator for Google Developers, Google for Startups in Central Asia and Mongolia.
Congratulations to AstanaHub team. We've been actually extended 2 years. This 2 years working with Google for Startups. Initially, it was difficult. It was like startups. You push. We all here live in Central Asia or born in Central Asia. You know, if you don't push, nothing will happen, especially in startups. And we had some supporters in Google. For example, we show list of startups. First cohort we show to Google Cloud team, and we ask them, take a look, review. After several already second year, Google Cloud was actually last week we talked. Google Cloud is really impressed with quality of startups. They provide some support to the startup, and they ask, now give more startups from Silkway. Which are some new startups? Actually, things now change. Internally, trust to AstanaHub, trust to Silkway inside Google, I think, is even more growing. It's thanks to quality of the startups. And this trust we have, and also you all the startups. Now you will also have trust if you put this brand logo Google for Startups to your pitch decks, to your presentations. It matters a lot. Why trust matters? If I ask, for example, does some give me $1 billion, or as Elon Musk asked, give $10 million, to whom he will give? Of course, understood, because trust to Elon Musk better than to me. So it's very important, and actually, despite of geopolitics, despite of some hardship situations in the economy, etc., Silkway startups, they push. For example, you know, Kazakhstan, NBT, there was one startup from previous cohort. They work, I think it's Tatiana Hasana was the director. They work in US, they work some MENA, other countries. They sit in Bishkek, they do great growth, great revenue. How they do it, I don't know. If you ask me how to do it, I don't know. You maybe better ask them. So my advice, socialize via AstanaHub. They have community of previous cohorts, 1, 2, 3, 4 alumni. They are huge source of wisdom. They are best of the best, and also you are best of the best. And keep older, you don't have much time. And good luck all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your perfect speech. And now let's give a word to the person who is integral to this acceleration under his watchful guidance. Our startups will be pushed to their limits and will show remarkable progress that they themselves do not even expect. Please give a warm welcome to our lead tracker, Dmitry Biznasyuk. The floor is yours, please.
So, hello guys. My name is Dmitry Biznasyuk, as I already know, and I'm from Portugal. I'm here right now. I'm a guest in AstanaHub. And first of all, initially, I'd like to say some words to AstanaHub team, because some of the words already said by my previous colleague, to my great pity, but anyway, I'd like to say. So when I've been here for the first time, it was more than 6 years ago, and I helped to start some of the programs here in AstanaHub. It was a small company with just about 20 employees, and with the buildings under the constructions with a lot of workers, no startups here. and with a huge passion and with huge ambitions to move forward that one. And I'd like to say, guys, Marjan and the team, you're really a truly startup, like a really startup. And you're amazing, guys, because what I see now, more than 200 employees in the team, more than 1,500 startups in the community, the collaboration with Google. So let's bring this spirit into the current startups, into the next startups further, because it's truly important to, combine passion and skills in one place, not only from startups, but all from the team who organize them. So first of all, that. Speaking about me, first of all, guys, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I had 2 exits in the past of my life. I'm a 3X founder, like the CEO and the founder of my startups, and I'm currently the CEO and the founder of Accelerator. It's an international booking platform for bots. And I like to share my expertise for more than 10 years in the startups and like a lead tracker all over the world. So I have expertise with 1,500 startups for my career. So I'm here. Let's make money and let's roll, guys. See you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. So, ladies and gentlemen, now let's dive into the highlight of our event, the features from the Silkway Accelerator participants. So, here's how it works. Each startup will take to the stage one by one with 3 minutes to present their project. When the time is up, you'll hear this sound. Okay, this sound.
It's gong, like bang.
Okay, so yeah, the sound will be played, and then when the pitch is over, we'll have a 2-minute Q&A session with each project. So to all starters, after you pitch, please don't leave your spot. Please, we'll have more questions to you. Now let's kick off the main part of our event, the pitches from the Silkway Accelerator participants. Today, both offline and offline, we have esteemed investors, VCs, business angels, and representatives from big tech. I encourage all our guests, both present here and online, to be proactive and ask as many questions you may have about the project. If you're joining us online, please feel free to type your questions in the chat, where we actually can see them here on the screen, and the moderator will read them out loud. Let's engage and make this interactive as possible. So, также хотел бы сказать, если у вас есть вопрос на русском языке, также можете его задавать. Мы как раз таки, в принципе, большинство стартапов говорят на русском, тоже смогут ответить.
And the first to open today's speech session, startup from Kazakhstan, Askar. Everything that retail business needs in one system, sales, customers, analytics, all in one click. Let's give a big round of applause to co-founder of Askar, Aset Bigaliev. Please,
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aset. I'm the co-founder of Askar. Askar is everything that retail business needs in one system. So many businesses challenge little or zero profit. Why? Because of messy business as a result of paper-based processes. So we do offer a solution for them with our system to increase their profits. Our benefits for business: ease of customer service, time saving, and 30% inventory optimization, reducing losses, no debt, and loyal customers and repeat purchases. How we do that? We have everything that retail business needs, starting from managing the shop to the analytics and loyalty programs. Askar was founded in 2021. From that time till today, we have gained more than 3,000 customers with monthly payments, and we keep growing. In this slide, I want to point your attention on the 2 facts. First one, consider the year we are created, the number of clients we gained, and now compare these figures with those similar of competitors. You can see we have the best traction on the market. And the second one, out of 10 Askar installations, 4 are the transitions from competitor software. and we change the game rules. How we do that? Consider the small retailer who wants to automate his process. What is the problem? He needs to put upfront the huge capital expenditures, $800 and more, but there is no money. So how do we change? How do we change this? The game-changing strategy from us is Askar software plus all-in-one point-of-sale system for only $40 a month. No upfront payment, no pay. Only the solution that will lead to increased profitability and reduced hassle. And by the way, we already have the soft commitment for about $400,000 to launch this strategy with more than 1,000 units. Okay, who you are? This is the team of our founders and the great team behind us. Among our recent achievements, in the beginning of the year, we have raised $300,000 of investment with the market cap of 4.8 million. Thank you for your attention. Welcome with your questions.
Thank you so much. Dear guests, do you have any questions to the Askar team? Questions? Maybe we have a question from Zoom. Yes, sure. Yes, sure.
Just in English. What is your, how do you promote your product? What's your sales pipeline look like? How do you build out that pipeline? Do you have your own sales or do you outsource that?
Basically, we have two-way strategy. We have regional franchising partners that are present almost in every city of Kazakhstan, and we have central sale from Astana also. So we generate leads from here, and our local partners in, let's say, every city of Kazakhstan, they also generate their own leads. So two ways.
Any questions? So thank you so much. Yes.
So the next project is all games with car parking multiplayer, for short CPM. CPM is a multiplayer car simulator with elements of immersion and extensive car tuning capabilities. An open world character control, trading, racing, and much more. Meet Manas Dalasayev with the project CPM. Please welcome.
Wow, with them Bob, up to our God, check to a lead, into the job, earth is the name, the bullet is the same.
Hello everyone and welcome. Thank you very much for joining this very special event for all of us. My name is Manas. I am the general manager at All Games team, a company well known to the worldwide as the developers of car parking multiplayer, a game that has gathered more than 100 million downloads throughout the globe on the platforms Android and iOS. So basically, the car parking multiplayer, what was once a game about parking cars, has now become an immersive multiplayer car simulator with a vast open world, player-driven economy, high-stakes racing, and one-of-a-kind customization and tuning abilities. Such great features have gathered a lot of audience, have gathered a huge fan base. All of them left over 1.5 million reviews with the average rating of 4.5 on those platforms. Of course, such a success must be highly monetized, and I want to tell you a bit about our monetizing strategies. So basically, we have two sources of income. First one is the microtransactions, or so-called in-app purchases. Players buy valuable items within the game for real money. And the second one is advertisements, such as watch and get valuable items for free. Of course, we are planning to increase our income and work on our microtransactions and advertisement, as well as make investment into the tier 1 traffic, such as USA, Japan, or South Korea. Another important point of any product is all about marketing. And the marketing in our case is realized throughout the social media. The social media has grown large in car parking multiplayer, with the top tier 1 being the Instagram, which has recently reached 7 million subscribers, TikTok 1.5 million, and YouTube 700 subscribers. So basically, we actively use our social media to promote our game with the content and gather new audience. We have been in the gaming industry for over 7 years, and here is the project roadmap that we are going to continue with. Recently, we have released the new version of our game, CPM2, which is the better version of CPM1. Moreover, we are planning to release 3 more games by the end of 2024. And our general plan is to keep regular updates on CPM1 as well as promote, invest, and scale the CPM2. That is the end of my presentations. If you have any questions, please be welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Manas. Any questions? Okay.
Thank you. What is your primary audience? What geographies you target?
The primary audience is actually USA, Germany, Europe, Japan, Asia. The game is very well known throughout the world, and basically we are tracking teenagers and higher ages, something like that.
Thank you. Any more questions? Right there.
What is the reason for supporting two apps, car parking multiplayer 1 and 2?
Basically, the car parking multiplayer was built on the lesser versions of the technical Unity version, and we wanted to upgrade it. We wanted to use modern structures. We wanted to update our game, but the capabilities of the first version wasn't enough to handle it. The optimization was going worse. That's why we had created a completely new game to make everything possible there.
Thank you. So no questions at the Zoom. I remind everyone who's online, you can ask your questions in the chat, and then we will read them out loud. So no questions in the audience? So I guess.
What's your main revenue stream in terms of the when you divide it from ads or direct purchase?
The main revenue comes from the in-app purchases also. We don't have the push ads, which we just get watch and get ads. So people voluntarily use them to get some kind of license.
Okay, then you need to change that in Google because it says like ads contains ads. Okay, but in terms of the revenue stream, how you divide it?
How do we divide it? I think this is the better question for the CEO of the company, which is actually in the audience, or Mr. Olaf indeed. Please come back from later.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. I think that's it for the questions, so we can move on to the next one. Thank you, Manas.
The next startup, Neotis AI job simulation for software engineers from Kyrgyzstan. Meet the CEO, Samira Majikova. Please, the floor is yours.
The biggest obstacle for new software engineers is knowledge, it's experience. I know it because I used to be a good programmer until I started searching for my first job. And there I didn't meet job requirements because I didn't know how to develop real tech products. And I personally fell into the gap between education and employment. This problem got even worse today. Job markets are getting competitive, employers hire those who have most experience. Meanwhile, new programmers, they spend up to a year to find a job. Even though juniors are cost-effective workers, companies still lose up to $150,000 just to find the right junior and invest in him. But not with Neotis. We bridge this gap by designing AI job simulation, where graduates can develop realistic projects. Our AI analyzes skills, and companies hire the best juniors. In fact, we have been organizing job simulation for 7 years in Central Asia, 6 years as non-profit company, and 1 year online for profit. And despite the flow of students, we couldn't take more than 30 programmers per batch. That's why we decided to scale and develop AI tech solution. Our product combines both EdTech and HR tech. As EdTech, students choose the project, immerse in the virtual workspace, access to design and materials, and start developing the project, communicating with AI colleagues. HR tech, companies hire job-ready, best junior developers and see the analytics based on work ethics, soft skills, and hard skills. And AI, the product, communicates with software engineers, playing a role of a project manager and other colleagues. AI analyzes chat to make soft skills report, analyzes working files to make hard skills reports, and recommends the most matching candidates to companies. We got revenue from both sides. As AdTech, students pay for certification and simulation, and companies pay for subscription and hiring as a referral bonus. We start covering US and Europe market with software engineers and plan expanding to new countries and new niches every year. And to become a unicorn startup, we need to reach only 0.67% of 10 million yearly new developers. For today, we already have 1,000 deployed graduates, $9,000 MRR in Central Asian market, and today we're doing one pilot with European bootcamp. And we're raising money to develop. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Samira. Do you have any questions?
Thank you. Do you feel like how big is competition in this in your niche? We all know a lot of junior developers on the market. They struggle to find a job. Many people look for middles and seniors. And how this is difficult? How you overcome this problem in your business? Because directly.
We made the research, and companies do hire juniors, but they do hire the most experienced ones. And juniors, they don't know how to get this experience because they never work somewhere. And we are the company who provide them that experience. We provide products, design, and guide them.
Thank you.
Any questions? So there is no questions from Zoom? Yeah?
So as a marketplace, you have two sides, right? So supplier side and demand side. And for each marketplace, there is only one side, the main, for scaling the business. What the main side for your business? Demand or supply?
You mean like accelerate traffic?
I mean the potential employees or the companies who want to hire them. What the main important to for scaling the platform?
When we work on this product, we should in parallel scale both.
Yes, it's a normal answer for that question, but anyway, for that question, there is only one answer. There is only one side for the main important, only one side. Demand or supply in each marketplace?
The supply one.
Supply.
Yes.
Okay. So they place, potential employees.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you for questions.
Thank you so much, Samira.
So the next project is Check.vz. Check.vz is a health service where you can order the tests you need in 2 clicks and get online consultation with doctors. So please welcome on stage CEO of Check.vz, Askar Aituov.
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to be here. Right now, CheckDoc is an outside medical diagnostic and health preservation service where you can order the test you need and get any medical service in 2 clicks. We give you the opportunity to take a wide list of tests at any convenient time and place for you. Get a consultation of doctor online, avoiding queues in medical institutions. If you talk about the attraction, we have more than 20 doctors working in our service now. We have more than 6 medical service providers and partners. We have done almost 20,000 home visits, tests, and made where 10,000 customers healthy and happy. Last year, we made $120,000 turnover and attracted investment from Dubai venture capital fund, Alaqan Capital, in the amount of the $250,000. What problem we are solving? People now spent more than 2 days to get an initial consultation and take test in lab. And often to go to chronic condition to avoid this unpleasant way of getting service. We offer to keep your health, not cure, by taking all checkups and a home visit. And for the who want referral service, we serve them within 2 hours instead of 2 days. We operate in a large healthcare market. In US market alone is estimated at $40 billion, and Kazakhstan where is a $1.6 million market for medical services. We plan to finish the mobile application by the of the year, provide our services in B2B direction, and receive a revenue of $1 billion within 2 years. And also is relatable with our team of professionals who have experience in management positions in such companies as Global, Choco Family, Halak Market, La Moda, Olix, Aviata, and the one. Invest your health with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Askar. Now it's time for questions. Можно будет задавать на русском, да, и как мне кажется, все говорят. Так, Коль, есть вопрос? Пожалуйста.
Вы вначале указали, что у вас gross merchant value $120. Это сколько вы продали чекапов в целом. Потом вы указали monthly recurring revenue 10 тысяч. Но вы же не все получаете от чека. Ну, то есть, сколько компания зарабатывает от этого?
40%.
40%, да?
Да.
То есть это скидка центров, диагностических центров для вас, да?
Да. Нет, 40% это наша маржа, а 60% это зарабатывает лаборатории и медицинский сервис.
А у вас всего 120 тысяч за год, да?
Да.
Окей, хорошо. Все, вопрос нет?
Еще вопросы? Аудитория? Можем, в принципе, двигаться дальше. Спасибо, Антон.
Thank you.
So the next startup is UISO, digital ecosystem for real estate industry, including accelerator, CRM, and marketplace. Welcome on stage, Akmal Bakhronov.
Hello everyone, my name is Akmal. I am a founder of UISO, a digital ecosystem for construction companies. According to the McKinsey Global, construction sector is one of the less digitized industries in the world. And maybe say for 20% of all businesses that go bankrupt each year are construction companies, mainly because of inadequate capital and cash flow. To address this issue, we have developed UISO, all-in-one solution that digitizes entire real estate customer journey, helping construction companies thrive and also making affordable housing more accessible to people. With UISO digital ecosystem, including AI-powered CRM, property marketplace, and home service platform, construction companies can boost their sales by 30% and decrease receivables by 20%, whereas home buyers can easily find their dream homes. If we talk about market opportunity, without doubt, real estate market is one of the largest ones in the world, with a valuation of over $600 billion, and the proportion of IT solution in this market is about $10 billion, and half of which goes for real estate CRM and marketplaces. Our goal for the next 5 years to capture 50 million of this huge pie with our proven business model of 3 income sources. So we charge construction companies for the usage of CRM and homeowners app, and also we take commission from the deals generated with our leads and lead generation. If we talk about numbers, over the 3 years, we have successfully onboarded more than 70 construction companies, and our monthly revenue reached 42,000 USD, increasing by multiple X every year. This is small yet accelerated success has been achieved by our hardworking, focused, consistent, and energetic team. Our goal is to be the next unicorn of Central Asia. Here is our roadmap. If you are interested to be part of our journey to transform real estate market, please come in to talk us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any questions? Yes, question, please. The microphone. Okay, I think it's fine.
There's a lot of offering in this area, CRM and operations.
Yeah.
What market gap you're closing?
Well, actually, there are a lot, for example, CRMs, there are a lot of general CRMs. We are tailored CRM only for construction companies. And there are some CRMs also in this industry. What our advantage is, we have integrated our marketplace where we can just become more helpful for construction companies because sales matters, not program for controlling everything. So we better help with the sales rather than our competitors. Yes, question? Please, microphone.
Hi. What is the breakdown of your revenue streams?
Nearly all of our revenue comes from subscription for CRM. And about 1% from marketplace because we are just promoting marketplace because first we launched CRM, then after having some companies data, now we are launching our marketplace is a unique with its real-time data. None of our competitors have such kind of opportunity.
So you mean your anchor product is CRM, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What's the main geo of your clients?
Sorry?
The main geo of your clients?
Geography,
yeah.
Geography, currently, all of them are from Uzbekistan. We only have one client from Georgia.
Okay. Do you use another CRM before your first visit to the customers?
Some of them, use competitor CRM, but turn to ours. And some of them just use Excel sheets.
Okay. The Excel is clear, but what is the motivation to change the CRM for Europe? Because it's so difficult to the company.
The main point, the thing is very difficult, previous CRM, they say. And another point is, we have a better service, better team and service, and simplicity also matters here. The previous CRMs were quite complex and people failed, they start failure to use it, get to use it, and with our platform, it's more easier.
User interface is the main reason to change CRM for customers?
What they say?
Okay, sounds well, but anyway, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we no question from group, we can move on.
Yeah, so the next project is Cook. Cook, orders and payments management platform for restaurants and wholesale suppliers. Please welcome on stage CEO of the project, Askar Aituov.
Hello everyone, my name is Azad, and I'm a founder of Cook, a B2B platform for restaurants and suppliers. So you might all know that the customer-facing side of the restaurants is all digitized by now, but the back house is actually the same as it was 10 years ago. It's all manual processes, it's photos in WhatsApp, it's phone calls, and basically nothing has changed. And I have a company which supplies restaurants, and I have faced all these problems myself. So basically, incorrect orders leading to operational breakdowns, and most of all, the collection of accounts receivable is just a nightmare. Because basically, restaurants always late on their payment periods, which leads to cash gaps. So we have came up with a solution here at Cook. So first of all, we automate the ordering process on both sides and we integrate with the ERP systems. Secondly, we help restaurants to find the best suppliers and we help them bring their costs down. And finally, the main scheme is a financial instrument. In partnership with the bank, we provide financial instruments like factoring, like credit lines, and help the restaurants and suppliers maintain their operations. So we have raised already a pre-seed investment in February. We already have 250 restaurants. We have 100 suppliers in Almaty. And we have reached an agreement with the bank that we are starting our factoring and credit line and rolling out in Almaty. So we have a premium business model, which allows us to scale quickly. And we charge for the value-added services that we provide, like marketing tools, like the financial instruments and integrations. So the vision is still to be a global company, but we start regionally. We start with Kazakhstan, Central Asia, Caucasus, and Turkey. And the market is huge. Just in Kazakhstan itself is 1 billion, and Turkey is 16 times more than that. So we already have 120,000 GMV through our platform, 900 orders monthly. We already work with the largest chains in restaurants, in hotels, and also with some retailers. We work with the suppliers, local producers, and distributors. We have an amazing team. We have a team with experience in building financial instruments, in building the B2B platforms. And basically, I myself, as I mentioned, have a 2 years experience of running the supplier company myself. And prior to that, have 7 years of experience at McKinsey. So currently we are raising 700,000. Yeah, thanks a lot. So basically, if you're ready to create a sustainable supply chain of the future, please join us and welcome aboard.
Thank you so much for that. So, if there are any questions in the auditorium, please raise your hand. We'll give you the microphone. So, anyone?
So super clear. Right?
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Then we can move on to the next question.
So the next startup is Store. It's a SaaS platform for online courses leveraging AI to facilitate sales and training within the Messenger app. CEO Rawan Tsizbekov, please, the floor is yours.
Hi, my name is Alaqan. I'm the CEO and founder of Store. Store is a SaaS AI platform with the functionality of sales and training in the Messenger. Please raise your hand those who did ever buy an online course. Anybody? Thank you. So nowadays we have a global trend of individual training. So those number of customers who want an individual training is rising every day. And we can see that absolutely new niches and thousands of experts appearing every day. And for expert to launch an online course, it's a very big trouble. He needs to prepare a course program, record the video. Did you ever record yourself in the camera? It's very frustrating, and he needs to buy various software tools and hire technical specialists to set up all of the tools. And what we do, we combine all of these tools in one product where the students are spending their most time. And it is Messenger, Telegram, and WhatsApp. By the way, we are solving another problem. So the students don't need to install any additional application. Why? Because they already have a full storage on their phone. And we also give an AI assistant to help experts to prepare their course and launch their course and answer to the question of their students during the training. So how do we make money? We have a subscription fee without limits, and we are growing every quarter. And this is our awesome traction. Our experts made a turnover in 23, 1,200,000 and it is 43,000 sold courses, and we have 15K MRR and 91 ARR. It is 151 experts and 681 total published courses. So we also just launched in Uzbekistan, and we have our first traction in 3 days, it's 2,000K. And this is our roadmap forecast for 5 years. We're planning to achieve $110 million by scaling to Southeast Asia. And this is our competitors with a global market of online platforms is $61 billion. $1 billion is Sun, and $110 million is Song. We are raising $75,000 by potential exit within 5 years. Potential exit minimum 100x. And this is our ambitious team, me, Rowan Sazekam, and my partner, CTO Ruslan Beyganov. So I'm inviting you to join our trailing adventure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any questions? Yes, you have a question?
What is your competitive differentiation against like Udemy and all those Coursera?
Coursera and Udemy are not our competitors because they are marketplace. Where we are selling the platform. So for individuals like info business, that our competitors are GetCourse and others like training. So our difference is that we are training in messengers. So it's a know-how, right? Because the most of the people are sitting in the messengers. So we are not. We do not make any mobile application for that. Secondly, we give an AI tool which is helping them to prepare and launch their course as quickly as possible. So it's the main.
So there is a question from Zoom. Who is your ideal customer?
My ideal customers are the educational centers and info businesses, the trainers, coaches, etc.
Thank you so much. Let's move on.
Thank you, everyone. So now we can move on to the next project. The next project is Binico, which is the hugest online freight forwarding service platform. Please welcome on stage Askar Aituov, CEO.
Thank you. Thank you all for coming. My name is Askar Aituov. I'm CEO and founder Bini. Bini is a digital freight forwarder and also is the hugest transport company in Kazakhstan. But first of all, I would like to tell you how logistic world works right now. For example, you're a shipper and you like to send your cargo. What do you have? You have a bulletin board, transport companies, agents, and intermediaries. The only one value that they have is that they know the number of the truck drivers who can deliver your cargo. That's why they're increasing the price of delivery up to 30%. But what we've done, we disrupt the market through our cloud-based communication and delivery platform with unlimited orders and clients. We connected drivers through our Bini driver app to instant booking their orders. How our customers use Bini? They love to create online orders with instant data to delivery, and they like to use our warehouse management system to manage their loading and shipping locations. Also, they know that all orders are insured in our platform. They use also our price calculation, which has 98,000 rows and 4 million price options. Also, right now it's available to make unlimited number of orders and GPS tracking. It is everything available for our clients right now. Why Bini drivers love us? Because they know that every single order are insured, prepared, and they will work without downtime. Direct access to the orders without intermediates, and they know that they can withdraw the money from Bini app. How we solve our clients' problem? It is our enterprise clients. We optimize logistic office and also reduce the cost of delivery to 30% for each order. And all logistics are literally in one click. Our workflow is zero paperwork, all documents is in our platform. So our market size is CIS, and for us it is achievable market $1.9 billion only in Kazakhstan. We see more than 27,000 clients can be our users. 46,000 truck drivers waiting for the orders and loading through our platform. Key metrics in 1 year. We received 2,000 orders and complete almost everything. Our GMV right now is 7.8 million and revenue for 1 year, $800,000. And our big goal is to achieve 30% the market of Central Asia. Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you. I said, any questions?
I just missed a slide with competitors. To my old data, there is still
Bulletin boards. It is already bulletin boards. Там машины и посредники.
So people, drivers, they live in your own community. How do you reach the drivers' community to get them to your platform? I think it's very expensive, difficult.
No, it's not expensive. You should be from there. We are from there from 2018. We was the transport company and we know the whole market problems with the truck drivers because the truck drivers are very, how to say,
sensitive. How is the truck market with this war and Taможня Союз? Is it affecting?
Yeah, everything is good. We just in Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, there's no problem to deliver to the borders. There's no problem. There's everything good.
Yeah, also a question that how you urge your clients to buy your product? Because as I know that all these logisticians are working in partnership with some dispatchers, and they sharing the, how to say, some fraud.
The big transport companies, we don't sell the SaaS solution or platform. We sell delivery and communication solution. That's why they trust for us, and they know that we are ensure everything, and everything is clear and simple for them.
Okay, I think that's it for the questions. No questions at the Zoom. Thank you, that's it. Thank you.
So the next startup is We Global AI, AI-powered SaaS platform that provides a seamless and personalized solution for career guidance and university admission. Kamila Saken, the floor is yours, please.
Hi everyone, I'm a co-founder of We Global AI. We are AI-powered B2B SaaS platform for career in college counseling. More than half of graduates worldwide. This doesn't work. Don't worry. Sorry. Yes. No, I'm sorry. Thank you. More than half of graduates worldwide, and specifically 60% of graduates in Kazakhstan, don't work in fields related to their university majors. To address this issue, President in 2022 issued a law mandating that every school must have a college counselor. However, the problem still persists because in average there are 1,000 students per each counselor, which physically limits the quality of college counseling. Most of the people think that college counseling or career counseling is just a multiple choice test that gives you a magical list of professions. However, this process is comprehensive and extensive. It should start from a young age, be personalized and streamlined from beginning till the end. And only now it has become possible due to the breakthroughs in generative AI, and also only now we have the total recognition and support from the local government and market. We are a system which consists of web platform for schools, mobile app for students, with the vertical marketplace of educational products and services in it. We onboard students into our app through the schools, and there they go through each step of college and career counseling, accompanied by AI consultant. And throughout this process, they get the personalized recommendations on upsell products from our vertical marketplace. Our team is composed by our CEO with 2 edtech exits and 350K investments raised and finances raised in the previous projects. Bulat Hashim, 5-year senior ML engineer with work experience in South Korea. I have been working in EdTech for 4 years. We also have an advisor in strategy and investment that is Kalishin from I2BF Global Ventures. In 9 months, we made 282K in revenue without external financing, and also in 4 months, we've made agreements with 149 schools to start in September. Our market is $2 billion market in US, and we started from Kazakhstan as our pilot market with valuation of $69 million. With B2B SaaS, we enter the schools, and that's our customer acquisition channel for further upsell in vertical marketplace, and that's our main revenue stream. Our second revenue stream is direct apply, or commission from universities for successfully onboarding fee-paying students. And in fact, direct apply is the only revenue stream for most of our competitors, including Singaporean Silkway, which raised $40 million of investments recently. And but we earn both from university preparation and university admission. That's our main distinction from rest of our competitors. Now we're raising 300K for further product development and construction in the US. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Camila. Perfect speech. Any questions? Yes, Michael.
So thank you for the speech. In one of your slides, I've seen there that unit economic is equal 21.8. What does it mean?
21.8. It is so it is our average receipt is $700, and the customer acquisition cost around $50.
Okay, it's kind of a ratio between LTV and CAC.
Yes, exactly. LTV to CAC.
Okay, thank you.
Any questions? No, there is no questions from Zoom. So thank you, Camila. We wish you good luck.
Thank you. So now we can move to the next project. Next project is called Prometay. It's a P2P platform for increasing the earnings of sellers on marketplaces through a dropshipping system and AI tools for sales automation. Please welcome on stage CEO of Prometay, Davlet Batabey. Please welcome. Prometay, B2B platform designed to increase profits of the sellers and suppliers. Last year, we made $827,000. Hi everyone, my name is Davlet. I'm the CEO and founder of Prometay. So I do marketplace business for 7 years. I used to sell on USA market, Dubai, and I was an official retailer of the Marvel, DC Comics, and Hasbro toys like Superman and Iron Man and Spider-Man toys. So I still see a lot of problems of the sellers. Let's see how does the e-commerce market function. We have suppliers, brands, sellers, and last mile consumers. Prometay is a joint aggregate of the first two. We do the solution for both of them, for the brand and for the supplier and sellers. So there is a situation. There is a seller to sell. For example, kitchen blender. He needs to invest $6,000 to $10,000 for minimum order quantity, minimum order amount. And he needs to do a product research, find a reliable supplier, and it takes also 3 months. Production, product upload to marketplaces. All of them like $10,000 and 3 months it takes for him to start to sell. So what kind of other steps, problems they do without Prometay? And how we all solve all of these problems. So with us, the seller do only the product promotion. So how? Prometay is already integrated suppliers, more than millions of the wholesale product suppliers. And we have a function like after upload, 500 products at one moment. So usually it takes like one product is 40 minutes. For us, it's like 1 minute. So integration with the marketplaces, the digital content, and the business financing, and so on. Our metrics, we have a business model, a subscription business model. At April, we made our new record, $64,000 monthly revenue. So in Kazakhstan, we have 600,000 wholesalers and retailers. They are all of them our potential market customers. This is our roadmap that we keep now,
And the first column is, as I explained it, the promote with suppliers. Second column, it is all for the big sellers who has already has own suppliers. So we have a great synergy with the bank. Because our one user is one individual entrepreneur. So they have a problem. They always need money to grow their sales. And this is a good chance for the bank. Also can offer financial help like a credit loan. It's the official amount of BCC Bank. Like they give 400 million credits with an average credit $40,000. Thank you very much. This is our contact. If you have questions, I'll be.
Thank you, David. Thanks a lot. So, any questions in the auditorium? It seems like no questions, and on Zoom. So, thank you, David. Thanks a lot. Great project.
So the next startup, Alchirok, innovative loyalty program platform for mobile operators. CEO Jamshid Rajavov, please, the floor is yours.
Hi everyone. It was a pleasure to be here. I would like to introduce our service at Alchirok. It's a service which if imagine that the world is every mobile user can engage with the resource without any budget which they have. This is all created by the Alchirok. I'm Jamshid, I'm the founder and owner of Alchirok. With our team, telecom experts and developer team, we created the loyalty program for the mobile operators, which provide them new kind of engagement process for their users and help them to engage new generation and growing generation for their services. Usually, mobile operator provides a not flexible data plan that users needs unlimited. Our service fills this gap. What's the picture? When user just provides the number, verifying, and he opens the LAN magic. He only tap it, and we provide all resources which he can get is minutes, internet, SMS, and minutes. And additionally, our users getting Bitcoins. This is our virtual currency, which he can unlock it for the marketplace and get the more profits. This is the traction which we got. This is about concept which was. We are working more than 3 years in Uzbekistan. Successful launch with the USL with a 4.5 million user base and 1.8 million active users. Last year we generated for mobile operations more than $6 million revenue. And additional 2 years ago we launched the same platform for another operator with mobile, and we have the traction very good. Why we love our operators love ours? Because we increase them every at least $8 for the 3 months. It's easy to integrate. We are launched after integration in about 2 months. We need to go live, and we provided modern WAFs and services for them. Market opportunity is a loyalty market increasing 5.5 billion, and we aim to go to the Central Asia and Africa to go global, and we want to scale it now. So unique insight is that usually when we come to market and user base, at least 50% of user gets to our service, and we can provide more usable, more affordable services and get the from operator loyalty as a service with the profit. We offer the revenue share model, and we are open to discuss the partnership. Thank
you so much, Jamshid. Any questions? No questions? Yes, please.
So my question is, what do you need to do in the Netherlands for entering to a new market? Because you have to roll, it's a very specific industry, so you need to with some expertise inside, etc. No problem.
Actually, we need just discuss with the operator what the gap he want to can share as a loyalty. We have two options. We actually launched two option kind. First, outshot, we will sell the resources which we provided to users, they provide as a loyalty for their users. And we just generate that additional value. With Open Wallet, it's a user our project. When our service are buying resources for our users and selling to users from our side. This is an additional channel for them. That's why we have both options. We need only discuss with the operator how options we can do. Some are ready, for example, we can already discuss and we can just fix some generation revenue for about maybe 20% of the revenue service, fixed as a resources amount. After that, it's a revenue share with the operator. This is it.
Clear. You have some digital world platform, or you have some
all in one. We go when we come with our platform. It's mandate. Sometimes they call that we need regulation, must host it in locally. No problem. We provide the platform for them, and it's all included. It's a application, Telegram, offline, USB, support. Everything will be handled by us. For operator, it's only low-cost integration. We provide API and everything we do by us.
Thank you so much. Any questions? So let's move on. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, now moving on to the next project. Next project is Alaqan. They're building a future where you can authorize, pass anywhere, and pay everywhere just using your palm. Please welcome Ayan Iskola presenting Alaqan.
Hello everyone, my name is Zayan and I'm from Alaqan. We are building a future where you can authorize, and you can pass anywhere and pay everywhere just using your palm. Something's not right in the ways people do that today. There are problems with cards. Fingerprint and Face ID have technological limitations, lower accuracy. There are problems with recognizing people with masks, abayas, or even makeup sometimes. And we often hear stories how siblings unlock each other's iPhones. So that is not the definition of privacy for me. That is not safe and secure enough. That's why I think we need something different. We need something new. Alaqan cares about your privacy, and we are safe for you. High-level encryption and uniqueness of your palm-based pattern makes us secure. And this leads for compliance with global standards such as GDPR. This is Alaqan. You just hover your palm over a scanner, and our algorithm recognizes your palm-based patterns. It encrypts it into the dynamic hash code, and we collect these codes in our database. Today, we have almost 125,000 patterns in our database. That's why we constantly improve our algorithm using machine learning. Our clients represent different sectors of the economy, and that makes us perfect for building ecosystems by connecting our products. Our markets are huge. Our business model is based on transaction fee and SaaS. Our traction tells a great story, as great as our teams. So let's build the future together. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Ayan. So any questions in the auditorium? So anyone? The question? Yes. First row, please. I have a question.
What's the time duration of identification on text?
It's 0.3.
Any more questions? No? Then I think we can move on to the next project. Thank you. So
So the next startup is Lambda Global, empowering entrepreneurs globally by connecting them with the top-tier remote talent on flexible and cost-effective terms, helping them turn ideas into successful businesses or scale existing ventures. Welcome the CEO, Bayar Volodya.
All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Bayar. I'm the founder of Lambda. So as of today, 30% of the global workforce is remote. If given choice, then like 91% of all this workforce would prefer to work online, remotely. So I estimated to be there are 8 million such talents in Central Asia who are willing to work locally and who can perform jobs remotely. So who are those talents? So those talents skilled with digital skills and ability to perform any results regardless of their location, such as engineers, product managers, project managers, marketers, and such that. So here at Lambda, we onboard those clients, talents, and we verify them with our rigorous 4-step verification process, including AI verification, screen resume, and then also like technical interviews. We only onboard and verify globally competent, highly skilled talents. So of course there are like job marketplaces where you can post your jobs and find talents, but it's not guaranteed to find the best talents. So we offer an end-to-end solution for entrepreneurs, from finding the right talents, hiring them, and tracking their progress, eventually paying their salary through our platform. So for now, we are building our job marketplace. Talent marketplace is ready. We are building our timesheet and then payroll models. And we highly leverage AI to streamline and simplify all the relationship between employer and talents. And our revenue model, we have a one-price, simple subscription model for companies. We don't charge talents anything. And last month, we started piloting in Mongolian market. And here we are now expanding into the Central Asian market. Eventually, we envision to become a global talent platform. So initially, we will adopt a self-service for employers and talents to find each other. But eventually, when we have more than like 1 million verified talents, it's going to be difficult for employers to find the right one. So we introduced a recruiter-driven model where there are independent recruiters who are in commission, who are specialized in a specific industry, and work with employers in tailoring their talent needs based on our database. So in last month only, we acquired a dozen of employers, paid employers, and we verified more than 1,000 talents. Currently, about 100 to 200 new talents signing up to our platform on a daily basis. A little bit about myself. I'm a serial entrepreneur with a proven track record of raising $27 million within the last 5 years. Featured on Forbes.com. I have 3 successful exits. Now on to this Lambda journey. I studied computer science, had an MBA from University of Washington, had a chance to work with tech conglomerates like Dell and EMC. And I invite you guys to join on this new future of employment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any questions?
I think
questions? So no questions from Zoom? Thank you. Perfect.
Thanks a lot. So introducing the next project, it's called ab.ai. ab.ai is a web-based platform for school children that helps them achieve any academic goals through adaptive, personalized learning. So please welcome on stage Alaqan Kazakhstan.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present you the educational project ab.ai. And for 7 years we have been working with students to prepare them for any exams and help them to improve their education. And during this time we have identified 2 main problems that happen. And as you probably know, all students have different levels of knowledge and different levels of information perception. And moreover, 85% of school children have gaps in their education, and it prevents them from taking exams, from studying at universities, and even finding highly paid jobs. So how do we solve this problem? With the help of an adaptive test, we identify the gaps that students have. We just analyze the knowledge base of each student, and then we just offer to study only what needs to be taught. And for example, if you want to prepare for SAT exam in mathematics for a maximum score, then you need to know 1,000 microtopics. And if you want to find a tutor, it will be very expensive and time consuming. But if you want to buy some online courses, online lessons, it will take much more time because you don't know what you need to learn, and you will finally watch like everything. So with an adaptive test, you just already you will know which topics you need to learn, and you shouldn't have like all the topics. You will learn only what's necessary, and it will reduce the learning time, and it will make your like personalized learning path. Currently, we sell annual and monthly subscriptions, and we have B2C solutions. But by September, we're planning B2B SaaS platform for universities and schools. And our solution will help us to complete all the customers all over the world. And we have already made our first sales in the US market. And of course, there are some competitors in the EdTech market with traditional online learning. But of course, the startups with personalization will grow much faster. And we have a strong team. We have been working in the field of education for 7 years, and we are fully like involved in personalization and scaling our project. And what to add? And since the beginning of this year, we have already earned $450,000. But by the end of this year, we're planning to earn $1 million. So this is our plan. Thank you for your attention.
Thanks a lot, Arzan. So, any questions in the auditorium? Please ask quick. Okay, so we have one question on the first row.
Where is the CEO?
Here.
So that's the question. Yes. Why you don't pitch yourself?
Дело в том, что я плохо владею английским языком, я математик, программист, и решаю до конца программы.
Then it's going to be a challenge for you. We're expecting your pitch at demo day.
Any more questions? Okay, so I guess we can move to the next question.
So the next startup is Grand Mobile, a new milestone in domestic mobile gaming, offering a vibrant alternative to foreign open world simulators. Experience a detailed world with limits exploration and real-life decision making. Meet you, Roman Vinetov.
One second, yeah, we're putting a presentation.
Grand Mobile, please.
Okay, seems like it's on. Can you move? Okay,
Grand Mobile is a role-play mobile game. It is a huge open world. Our target audience is young people from 14 to 34 years old. Currently, we are only localized in Russian. We have slightly over 60 million downloads on the Russian market since the launch of the game, which was in December 2022. Our statistics, currently we have roughly 400,000 unique users per day. Around 1.5 million new users every month, and totally around 5 million unique users every month. They are planning to make this year more than $20 million in sales. Last year we made slightly more than 10. Our average check is $8, which is quite high for the mobile industry. This year the main plan is to localize in other languages because we have a big potential. We acquired a good experience in Russian, on the Russian market. So now we want to implement all this experience and all this knowledge on the other market. Other than that, we're planning to heavily invest in our technology to hire new people and and to collaborate with big companies and brands.
Thank you so much. We have questions? Any questions? Yes, please.
You just said that you have like 10 million USD revenue last year.
Yep.
Is that correct? Yep. So why did you need money? So what I didn't.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, going to like we didn't start as a like startup. We never like participated in the IT community. Me, to be honest, I don't even know like what the name of the stages are, like seed and all of that. Like all of that happened just like this.
You just proposals.
Yeah, like we never learned, like it just happened, and here we want to acquire some knowledge that are supposed to be.
What kind of help do you need? What kind of help do you need?
Well, we need to learn how to manage properly the company because, like, I wouldn't call us a startup.
So you want to become a startup?
No, we want to run this company not as a startup, but correctly as it's supposed to. Yeah, because right now it's more or less like startup management. We do lose a lot. We are not as effective as we can be, and we don't take the best decisions we can.
Okay, where are you located?
Located? Well, we're all located around the world. We don't have an office. Everybody works from home, but we are planning to open an office in Almaty.
So how you manage them?
Well, online. We started like this, the team kept growing and well, it worked all the time, but right now we are planning to open an office for the main management at least and maybe for the release development.
Thanks.
Thank you. Any questions?
What's your next target market? First of all, thanks for the numbers because you have great numbers, business metrics.
So what was the question?
The next target market for you.
The next target market?
Yeah.
We want to localize the game in English and try India, Western Europe, Pakistan, not triple.
At the same time or step by step? What the next step for your expansion?
The English localization,
Yeah.
we will target India, Turkey,
Okay.
and Western Europe all at the same time. And after that, we want to localize in Spanish and Portuguese.
Okay, English, Spanish, okay. And what are the main marketing channels right now? I mean, Russia?
Yeah. Well, it's only localized in Russian and
It's a paid marketing or just word of mouth or what else? How you can acquire new users?
we do
A lot.
we do a lot. Yes.
So, and what's about,
Mostly paid.
okay, and what about your, at least just a top line strategy for acquiring new users on new markets?
Well, we did some approximation.
Yeah.
For instance, India is even cheaper than Russia, for example.
But the channels, what are the channels?
Well, we will use the same channel
The same.
to influence marketing, what we
Influence.
call that, advertising networks and all of that.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So our event is coming to an end. Thank you all for your participation and let's wish good luck to the participants of the next batch of the Silkway Accelerator. I would like also to invite everyone for a group photo. Please. come on stage.
Dear guests, also would like to mention that after 1 week set on Friday next week at 4 p.m. at this stage, we're having a demo day of Startup Garage. So best startup for incubation program will be presenting the results. So yeah, we also have prepared the networking dinner for you. All the invited guests may head to the networking venue. Good luck and thank you. Так, хотел бы всем сказать, что мы оттуда идем